So in this Google Docs tutorial, I will be showing you how to highlight text on the Google Docs mobile application. So once you're in, if I just were to type in the word highlight text right here, and let's say you wanted to highlight the entire thing, double tap the entire thing, make sure it's highlighted. On this sort of middle bar right here beside the A with the underline, go ahead and select sort of the marker with the white line below it. This will go ahead and open up the highlight color. So if you wanted to highlight it green, you can also change the color, do what you got to do, right? You can go ahead and play around this way. Now your text is highlighted. So if I were to go here, it's highlighted. Another way you can do this as well is if I were to go text right here, double tap it, you can slide this bar and press the far right option where there's the A with the underline. You can then scroll down to highlight color and do the exact same thing. You can change it to whatever you want, press the check mark, and now your text is highlighted. So that is how to highlight text on the Google Docs mobile application. Hope this video helps.